Hello everyone, welcome back. So today's topic is also a very interesting topic like robot versus human being. Okay. So in corporate world what I realized when I was an employee and still I am getting this feedback from my colleagues from my students like we are feeling insecure toward our job. Okay. So AI, artificial intelligence, robots, automation tool, these all robot activities and robots are eating our jobs and our jobs is not secure. So this was a primary concern in corporate world everywhere right now. Okay, so the answer is, so before we come to any conclusion or any solution, first of all we have to go in the past to understand this topic very well. Okay, so what is robot? Okay, robot is a tool made by human being for achieving our goal. Okay, what is the purpose? A robot help us to achieve our goal. Robot working pattern is 0 1 binary unary. Robot works on instruction. The purpose of robot is to help us so we can achieve our goal with less time and effort. Okay, now what robots are the slave of human being. So how can you feel that they are competitor? Okay, so the reason behind the story behind this entire scenario is robot are doing very well for the purpose of robot is to assist us. They are doing their task perfectly. Okay, the problem is like we made robot our competitor. Robots are not our competitor, they are our slaves. Okay, how we made how we made robot our competitor? We made robot our competitor based on our working style, our thinking pattern. We work like a robot. Okay, so the biggest challenge in front of us is when you when you lose your identity. We are a human being and human being work with emotions, robot work with instruction. Okay, so right now we are a hybrid human. We are 50% working like a robot and we have 50% qualities of human being. Okay, so if you don't want to be a competitor with a robot, you have to be a pure human being. You have to develop emotion skills inside you, not develop. Every human being already have, you have to explore those skills. Right now we are working like a robot. If in our organization, if there in our organization we have n number of problems in front of us, we are seeing daily on daily basis, but the problem is if management assign that specific problem to us, then only based on management instruction we follow the instruction and we work to solve that specific problems. We deal with specific challenges. Why? We are working same like a robot. Robot follow instruction, even we are following instruction. So as a human being, we when you are looking in front of you that there is n number of problem in our organization, as a human being you have to identify those problem and you have to start working on those problems with the permission of management. Also you can help your colleagues, friends to achieve their goal. Instead of making to-do list that these are the list which I have to work like so if you have to-do list which is given by your management, again you are following the same instruction and your organization robots are following the same instruction. So the best way to deal with robot is you have to become a pure human being first. Be a kind with everybody, Be a useful human being, be a problem solver, be a problem identifier. Okay, if you develop this specific skill, emotion, if you are emotionally very strong, and if you are able to understand the problem of others without any explanation, okay, then you are on the right track, and you don't have to worry about any robots or any artificial intelligence, because they are made for us. To Our best skill is to take tasks from them. Okay, they are not competitor, they are slave. If you are not upgrading yourself, for example, chatbot is not a competitor of programmer, developer, designer. They are here to solve our problem. They are here to help us to achieve our goal as soon as possible. So as a human being, what your responsibility, you have to learn how to do communication with robots. If you are good in communication with robots, you can take as much as you can task from robots. Like right now we can say prompting in chat gpt, prompting, prompt engineer, prompting, this thing is very important. If you develop this specific skill, you know how to write the thing which you required. Definitely those robots are slave, and they are going to work for you, they are not your competitor. So once again, human beings are creative, robots are instructive. So develop creative skills inside you. Be a kindful human being, be a problem solver of society wherever you are. Help yourself, help others to achieve their goal. If you are able to develop these skills, if you don't have to develop any skill, you just have to be a good human being. That's it. Keep yourself away from dirty politics. Definitely there will be no competition with you, because believe me, good pure human being in our planet are reducing day by day. In around us we have lots of zombie and lots of robot in front of us. We think that they are human being, but they are not human being. They are robot, they are zombie. The way they think, the way they speak, I don't know the reason behind this, but there is a huge demand of human being in upcoming future and right now itself. So be a kind human being. Thank you.